In this video, we're going to go over tab number 8 of the YMCA Mission and Cost Analysis Report, which covers personnel costs. So this includes wages, employer taxes, and benefits. Before we get started, just a quick note, all the expenses that relate to administration should be allocated to column G right here, fundraising in column H, and occupancy to column I. All of their accounts should be allocated to the appropriate cost centers or program centers down through columns K and back. So the first thing you're going to want to do is enter the account name, number, or position here in column A. In column B, you're going to want to indicate whether this is an indirect personnel cost by entering a 1. So this is something like a salaried program staff. In column C, you're going to want to enter the amount of wages associated with this account or position. In column D, enter the associated taxes, and in E, enter the benefits. Once this is complete, you're going to spread the costs to the individual departments or programs that cover them, making sure to account for 100%. So again, if the amount spread is entered incorrectly, or if it is spread incorrectly, column F right here will indicate it by shading a position or account red. So these red boxes you don't have to worry about. They don't have any data in them. They're just red because they're empty. But for example, if we have data in here and I accidentally entered a 44% instead of a 45%, this box is going to show up red with a 99% instead of 100%. Once I find my error and correct it, it will go back to a neutral color at 100%. Other than that, remember to look at your helpful hints in these tabs right here. And that is it for tab number 8.